Hello everyone, my name is Gerard Rosalino and this is the driver presentation for my game. This is a tile-based game and lately I did a secondary implementation to my game and this is something I was really proud of working on and excited to do a little collaboration from one of my other uh, classmates, and this is something I was really excited about. So this mechanic is originally designed by Jayla. She did a great job with just creating um, this design, and it's very simple but yet very effective. Um, and it's bombs. Uh, you would just leave a bomb there, and it explodes. It gave this little sound effect that I wanted to create, and that allowed it to destroy the walls. Um, I wanted to make sure that I had all of these implementations in there so that way the player can go and find out what they're looking for in the goal. So in here I wanted to create a little maze that allowed the player to discover it. Now I gave it a hint that there's two different pathways that allowed it to go into different directions. And if you destroy one side, you'll blow it up, and if it goes, and you just have to start putting up bombs everywhere to find a way. Now, since there are two paths, it's ultimately up to the player to decide which way to go and how it is played. And I figure this is a great way to introduce the game of the bomb, the mechanic itself. If I can get to it. Oh, ultimately, I wanted to create it to be such a perfect game itself. So let's go to the design. Now, uh, here we're gonna go to the spells because I wanted to make it part of the spells that you drop itself. And this is the design itself. Um, when I created this, I went ahead and changed it a little bit from what she created originally. So in the event begin overlap, I set a timer, and that is connected to the explode, and it will just destroy the actor itself. I didn't do the for loop where it spins around. Um, so just to keep it the code simple. Um, then I created a timeline that do once, and once the timeline is done, it'll update the blueprint and set the world scale as it expands, goes up and down. Just give it that little bombing effect. And since it's being done once, every time you press the button, the key F, it'll initiate, play the sound when it explodes. It'll do it once, and then the confetti would activate, so simulating the explosion of the bomb. Um, I had a little bit of work here trying to. Some of the challenges that I faced was just trying to create this stamina reducing to the player itself, but I wanted to implement it just destroying the walls itself. So it allowed me to have the walls be able to be destroyed. Now we're gonna go to the next one, um, which is the damage block itself, how it gets destroyed. All right, so we begin with the event overlap. It casts the bomb to the damage. It delays it, and the timeline will activate, initiating when the bomb goes down. And then you'll be able to can enter. So I changed this part for the for mine. because I am it wasn't allowing it to go move in its location. So I decided to change it from its position. So from its original spot is towards the new destination. And I changed that to 50 and set its new location right here, and that's the cube itself. So it would just essentially it would just go down. Um, this part, this cube itself, would just go down below the below this pad. It's simulating that the ball went down. And here's a timeline that would initiate it, and it will just go straight down. Some of the things that are really actually give me a challenging was the fact that the bomb was not initiating properly, with the some of the messed ups that it was getting, such as e exploding more when uh, it kept going. It would activate again in multiple spots, even though it's not being activated, stuff like that. But ultimately, I changed it and was able to fix it and do the little uh, problems that I wanted to fix. So I had a great time actually building this. I was really fun, really creative idea, and I'm excited to introduce the whole mechanic of uh, both mine and hers together to have this game look really great. I'm gonna keep adding some more stuff to it so it become more aesthetically pleasing, so it'll have it more of a game feeling effect without even showing the game effect. Um, that's it for today, and I appreciate you joining the video, and see you next time.